Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Check the levels on tank 3.
Confirmed. Adding the last liter now.
This advanced filtration system processes over 100,000 gallons daily, ensuring the water meets all regulatory standards before bottling.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality, ensuring the consistency and perfection that Coca-Cola is known for. Every product is checked before leaving the facility to ensure it meets our high standards of quality.
All right, keep coming straight back. That's good. Set it down right there.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.